Guys, in today's video I will be showing you how to change your font size on your account on Rednote easy and quickly. So first of all, enter the application and then you will find these three lines here, and here you will find the settings. As you see, go to the general settings as you see, and here you will find the font size, and here you'll find the normal, the large, the larger. So as you see here, you can choose any font size you want and click save, and after this it will be changed or changed successfully. So that's it for today's video. I hope this is the answer you've been looking for. And if you like this video, don't forget to like and subscribe, and see you in the next video.